Guess what? Gravitational waves were predicted by Einstein a century ago, and now we're actually detecting them regularly with advanced technology. These ripples in spacetime were caused by massive cosmic events like black hole mergers. The first detection was made in 2015 by LIGO, and it changed astronomy forever, revealing unprecedented cosmic events with unprecedented clarity suddenly. Turns out, gravitational waves can reveal shocking secrets about the universe's most violent cosmic events, triggering intense scientific curiosity and debate. The waves are like cosmic whispers, carrying info about their mysterious sources across vast, dark, star-filled distances slowly. They're produced when massive objects accelerate violently, like when two supermassive black holes collide catastrophically, releasing enormous energy. LIGO and Virgo detectors are so sensitive they can measure changes smaller than a proton's width. This tech is like having a cosmic ear, listening to the universe's most subtle vibrations, resonating deeply within, as mysterious signals reverberate through the vast expanse of space quietly. Gravitational waves can tell us about the universe's complex structure, like the distribution of galaxies through vast cosmic spaces and mysterious dark matter. By analyzing these gravitational waves, scientists can infer the masses and spins of merging black holes with remarkable precision and unprecedented accuracy always. Some mergers release energy equivalent to thousands of suns in a fraction of a second, creating explosive cosmic events that reshape surrounding space dramatically forever. These events happen so far away, but their profound effects are deeply felt across the vast universe, creating unexpected ripples that transform everything instantly. The observation of gravitational waves has confirmed a key prediction of Einstein's theory, sending shockwaves through the scientific community worldwide suddenly. It's a new astronomy era. We're not just seeing the universe, we're listening to it through gravitational waves and electromagnetic signals precisely. The data from these detections is helping us understand the universe's most mysterious objects, revealing new insights and cosmic phenomena that expand our knowledge slowly. Neutron star mergers are another significant source of gravitational waves, and they're closely linked to heavy element creation processes in the universe suddenly. These mergers might be responsible for forging gold, platinum, and other precious elements. The gravitational wave signal can reveal the properties of these extreme objects through intricate patterns and subtle vibrations, creating unprecedented insights slowly. Scientists are using these signals to thoroughly test the theoretical limits of our current understanding of complex physics phenomena daily. The discovery has opened numerous new research avenues, combining various aspects of astronomy, physics, and cosmology, creating intriguing new possibilities. Future detectors will be even more sensitive, allowing us to probe the universe in entirely new and complex ways, revealing hidden patterns. We're on the cusp of a new era in multi-messenger astronomy, observing the universe in multiple innovative ways, revealing hidden secrets. The combination of gravitational waves and electromagnetic observations is a game-changer, revealing new cosmic insights slowly, everywhere. This synergy allows for a more complete understanding of complex cosmic events and their diverse environments, fostering deeper scientific insights and broader perspectives. As we detect more events, we're building a richer picture of the universe's most extreme phenomena, revealing new insights and cosmic mysteries slowly. The international collaboration behind LIGO and Virgo is a remarkable testament to global scientific cooperation, fostering groundbreaking discoveries. Gravitational wave astronomy is still in its infancy, but it's already revolutionizing our understanding of the universe through new observations slowly. New discoveries are being made regularly, and they're rewriting the textbooks with surprising revelations that transform our understanding completely now. As our observational capabilities improve significantly, we'll uncover even more profound secrets of the vast universe surrounding us slowly. So, what's next? We'll keep listening to the universe's whispers and uncovering its secrets. Share this with a friend.